This is my friend Alex, and we used to date in high school.
Those are some sick-ass wheels on your sedan. Almost as cool as those. Do you remember my old silver car? The one that I broke up with you in?
Yes. Yes.
Do you think this car is better? Does it look cooler?
Yeah.
Oh, you've seen this car. You've been in it when I first got it.
Yeah, when you first got it. Why do you have these little ass mirrors? Like, how the fuck do you even get anything done?
That sign said men working ahead. Does that trigger you?
In what way would that trigger
Like, what
me?
if there was a woman working ahead? I don't even see them, but...
Okay, what the fuck is the difference?
Well, it says men.
Okay.
It's not inclusive of your gender.
Oh my god, we're going down this route. Great.
Alright, so here's the deal. Well, I need you to get a few vlog clips for me. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna hold the front of the lens, and you're gonna be like, hey, what's up, guys?
I'm not doing
We're
that.
out here with the sole purpose of scaring her in the passenger seat of my Evo.
Can you not?
What?
I'm not gonna do it.
Why?
Well, it hurts.
N-
I
no-
don't need people to see that.
No one watches this video.
Yeah, right.
Just pop your hip back in.
It is popped in. It just gets stiff. I don't expect you to understand, okay?
She's turning 40 soon, so she has old woman problems.
Yeah. That's what happens when you ride a lot of dick. I kind of like the adrenaline rush you get out of it. It's kind of nice.
Alright, so the question that everyone needs to have answered is, do I look like Joe Jonas?
I don't think you look like Joe Jonas, but like it's your hair. You're like very much having like that tween like moment, you know, like where your hair's like super long and you like swoop it to the side.
Well, I got a haircut now, so not as much.
Not as much now.
I used to get a bunch of comments on YouTube and TikTok and even Tinder that I look like Joe Jonas.
Yeah, it was definitely your hair. Like you were definitely like having that like tween, you know, like you're not a girl so you don't know, but like you know when like Justin Bieber was all the rage and like the Jonas Brothers were all the rage?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like very much that. Like you're very much tapping into that like
Nice.
vibe.
So you want to get in?
How much?
That doesn't make any sense. A hooker outside my car wouldn't be asking. I would be asking.
How much are you willing to give?
Oh.
People are gonna think that I'm a whore now. Like I'm some sort of prostitute now, and I'm not.
Hey, yo, quick, flash him real quick. Flash him. You're just being too loosey-goosey now.
I'm really not that bad. He's just trying to fucking exploit me.